These were amazing!
Show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll! Thanks, everybody! See ya!
Hey, what's up, everyone? Come down there. I love this view. Nice mask! I like to keep my identity secret also. Hey, everyone. Welcome to Avengers Campus. Oh, popcorn. I want popcorn. I think I'm hungry. Good to see ya. Whoa, that's a Hulk-sized pretzel. Okay, it's time to see what this suit can do. Bam! Nailed it! And might have stepped on some actual nails. Ouch. Hey, what's going on, guys? Oh, me? Ah, you know, just spider stuff. Here we go! Oh yeah! Yeah! Now that's an amazing Spider-Man. Okay, I need to test this new web fluid. Watch this! No, no, no! Whoops, hang on. Ow! That was less amazing than I planned. Okay, Sharon, let's do the first test of the day.
Sounds good. I'll log the data with previous tests. Good luck, Spider-Man.
How'd we look, Sharon?
Our previous test results do suggest otherwise, Spider-Man.
Always joking, Sharon. I hope this works. Of course it'll work. It'll work, right? Okay, it's time to see what this suit can do. I hope we can do this. This is awesome! Now that's an amazing Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, I'm getting some unusual readings from the suit. While I analyze, why don't you go down and meet your friends?
Okay, I'll be right down.
And now, our project lead, the brilliant... Oh! Peter Parker!
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we got access to some pretty awesome tech, like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have Pym particles and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff, like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because
It's awesome. Buddy, you could stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the web slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Peter, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, that'd be great.
Problem with that
Anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider bots are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, you shout. Could you just call somebody else? Ask them to do it?
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Weird. I'm gonna go find Spider-Man first of all, because he's around here somewhere. Okay, goodbye. Spider-Man!
As you may have noticed, the spider bots are locked in that awesome self-replication mode. In spite of what you see, they were created to be robotic helpers that can break down raw material and create all kinds of useful tech. But because they are stuck in self-replication mode, the spider bots are currently consuming everything in sight and multiplying at an alarming rate. If left unchecked, my calculations predict this will lead to the devastation of the entire Avengers campus. We should be safe until Spider-Man gets here, as long as they don't get into the alien fluid. This is now a bigger problem. Activating threat level protocols.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Threat level is at exponential danger. You might need some help. Perhaps I'll call the Avengers?
Don't worry, everyone. I got this.
Okay, everybody. Open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
But I could use some help.
Yes, you could.
Sharon, prep the slinger vehicles.
Already on it.
Everyone head to the slingers and we'll team up to stop the spider bots before they destroy the campus. It's easy.
Okay, we have a plan. Please move quickly through the doors and down the hall to the Slinger vehicle bay. Your open house demo has been upgraded to a high-stakes mission to save Avengers campus. Reinforcements, once you're on the Slinger vehicle, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs on our way. Okay, please sit back and enjoy your ride until we reach the impending disaster.
Wait, I thought the threat level was still at exponential danger. Yeah, disaster sounds right.
I thought you'd agree.
Little help here! Guys, am I glad to see you guys? The chain reaction thing worked! You guys were amazing!
And you were all awesome dance offers. So we've got to get out of here. You'll approve it? There it is. X-Jam. Love you, meeting. Guardians. Out. See you later, everybody. What's up with that?
Attention terrorists, may I present to you Terminator, the Collector.
Welcome, distinguished guests, to your VIP tour of my collection. Comprehensive assemblage of artifacts and life forms from the galaxy.
Hey, do you guys validate?
But on today's tour, you will be allowed into my most secure inner sanctum to see in the flesh my newest acquisitions, the Guardians of the Galaxy.
How many here? Down on the left, please.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Let's shoot this guy.
Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! That was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
Exit out towards the back, you're down through the gate. Make sure everyone's safe. Now move it!
Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift. Please rise.
Keep on left to right, and left to right only.
This is the moment you have been waiting for.
The rocket unplugs you and starts things right! Now show me those hands, people! You got clearance, let's roll!
You damaged that there. It did nothing to get on the fight.